Assalamu alaikum students, it's lecture number 24, chemistry second year, chapter number 4 and page 57. Yesterday we have discussed about the general characteristics and introduction of group 5th and 6th elements. Today we are studying about nitrogen and its compounds. Firstly, its occurrence. Nitrogen is present in free state in air as a major constituent. Nitrogen is 78% by volume in air. It is an inactive gas in comparison with oxygen, which is the next major constituent of air. Inorganic compounds of nitrogen are not commonly found as minerals. In combined state, nitrogen is found in all living matter including animals and plants and in the form of proteins, urea and amino acids. Oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen forms several oxides with oxygen. Common oxides of nitrogen are N2O, NO and NO2. It also forms N2O3 and N2O5, dinitrogen trioxide and dinitrogen pentaoxide. The structure of oxides of nitrogen are given in diagram. Diagram is shown along with the lecture. You should consult diagram and you should have written practice of the structures of oxides of nitrogen. Firstly, dinitrogen oxide N2O. Its preparation. Dinitrogen oxide can be prepared by the action of dilute nitric acid on metallic zinc. 4 moles of zinc react with 10 moles of nitric acid, results in the formation of 4 moles of zinc nitrate and 1 mole of dinitrogen oxide plus 5 moles of water. Number 2, it is usually prepared by heating ammonium nitrate to about 200 degrees Celsius. Ammonium nitrate at 200 degrees Celsius converted to dinitrogen oxide plus 2 moles of water. To avoid the danger of explosion, ammonium nitrate can be replaced by a mixture of sodium nitrate and ammonium sulfate. Properties of dinitrogen oxide. Dinitrogen oxide is a colorless gas with a faint, plain smell and a sweetish taste. It is fairly soluble in cold water. Its mixture with a little oxygen, if inhaled for a sufficient long time, it produces hysterical laughter, and hence it is also known as the laughing gas. This is a short question. Which is a laughing gas? Dinitrogen oxide is a laughing gas. Its reactions. It is not combustible but resemble oxygen in rekindling a glowing splinter. मतलब ये कि बुझता हुआ जो शोला है वो इसमें दोबारा से शाइनिंग से थोड़ा मतलब ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से इसमें दोबारा से जलना शुरू हो जाता है. Similarly, it occurs it supports combustion if burning substance such as sulfur, phosphorus, etc. are taken in the cylinder containing this gas. Sulfur combines with dinitrogen oxide, results in the formation of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen. Phosphorus molecule P4 combined with 10 moles of dinitrogen oxide results in the formation of phosphorus tetraoxide and 10 moles of nitrogen. When N2O is passed over red hot copper, it is reduced to nitrogen. Copper plus dinitrogen oxide results in the formation of cupric oxide and nitrogen. Nitrogen oxide preparation. Nitrogen oxide can be prepared by the action of dilute nitric acid on copper. 3 moles of copper and 8 moles of nitric acid results in the formation of copper nitrate, 2 moles of NO and 4 moles of water. It can also be prepared by passing air through an electric arc. When nitrogen is passed with air through an electric arc, it results in the formation of oxide. Properties of nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide is a colorless gas, heavier than air and sparingly soluble in water. Reactions with oxygen, it forms reddish brown nitrogen dioxide. 2 moles of NO plus O2 results in the formation of 2NO2. Number 2, it decomposes into nitrogen and oxygen at about 1000 degrees Celsius and supports combustion. The reaction is given. It forms nitrosyl chloride and nitrosyl bromide with chlorine and bromine respectively in the presence of charcoal. 2 moles of NO and 1 mole of Cl2 results in the formation of 2 moles of nitrosyl chloride. Number 4, it forms a brown colored addition compound with FeSO4. This test is used to confirm the presence of nitrates. This is known as the ring test. This is an important short question. FeSO4 and NO result in the formation of FeSO4NO. Number 5, with reducing agents, it is reduced to nitrous oxide or nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and 2 moles of NO results in the formation of water, dinitrogen oxide, and sulfur. Sulfurous acid and 2 moles of NO results in the formation of sulfuric acid and dinitrogen oxide. Number 6, oxidizing agents can oxidize NO to NO2 or HNO3. 2 moles of HNO3 plus 1 mole of NO results in the formation of water and 3 moles of NO2. There is another reaction with potassium permanganate. 6 moles of KMnO4 and 12 moles of sulfuric acid and 10 moles of NO results in the formation of 6 moles of KHSO4 plus 6 moles of MnSO4, 10 moles of nitric acid and 4 moles of water. Nitrogen dioxide NO2, it can be prepared in small quantities by heating lead nitrate. 2 moles of lead nitrate decomposed to give lead oxide and 4 moles of dinitrogen oxide and oxygen. Number 2, it can also be prepared by reacting concentrated nitric acid with copper and 4 moles of nitric acid results in the formation of cuprous nitrate, 2 moles of water and 2 moles of NO2. Properties of nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is a reddish brown gas with a pungent smell. It dissolves readily in water to form a blue acidic solution. Reaction. On cooling, NO2 is converted into a yellow liquid which can be frozen to a colorless solid dinitrogen tetroxide. If this solid is heated to 140 degrees Celsius, the mixture contains NO2 and N2O4, but above 140 degrees Celsius, NO2 is converted to NO and O2 molecule which are colorless. This decomposition is complete at 620 degrees Celsius. The reaction is given. N2O4 pale yellow color decomposed to give 2NO2 reddish brown gas which further decomposed to give 2NO and 1 mole of oxygen. Number 2, elements like phosphorus, potassium and carbon contain burning in NO2 as it yields oxygen on decomposition. 2 moles of NO2 burn to give decompose to give 2 moles of NO and 1 mole of oxygen. 2 moles of phosphorus along with 5 moles of nitrogen dioxide results in the formation of phosphorus pentoxide and 5 moles of NO. Number 3, in the absence of air, it dissolves in water to form nitric acid and nitrous acid. 2 moles of NO2 and 1 mole of water results in the formation of nitric acid and nitrous acid. However, in the presence of air or oxygen, nitric acid is the final product. Number 4, a mixture of nitrate and nitride is formed when NO2 is passed through strong alkaline solution like 2 moles of sodium hydroxide combines with 2 moles of NO2 results in the formation of sodium nitrate, sodium nitrite and water. Same is the reaction when the reactant is potassium hydroxide. Number 5, it is a strong oxidizing agent and oxidizes H2S to sulfur, ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate and potassium iodide to iodine. Hydrogen sulfide and 1 mole of NO2 results in the formation of water, sulfur and NO. 2 moles of FeSO4, 1 mole of H2SO4 and 1 mole of NO2 results in the formation of ferrous sulfate, water and nitrogen oxide. 2 moles of potassium iodide in the presence of 2 NO2 results in the formation of potassium nitrite and iodine. This is all about today's class. Allah Hafiz.